Hi everyone, Matt here from Car Wow, and I've got my mother with me, Sally.
Hello.
Do you know what we're going to do here, Mum?
We're going to go very, very fast.
Yeah, so we're going to have a drag race between a Mercedes AMG G63, which we're in, against a BMW M850i. This has a 4-litre twin-turbo V8. Guess how much horsepower it has?
300?
No, it has 585 horsepower. And it has 850 newton meters of torque.
I don't know what torque is about.
No one really knows what torque is. Basically, it's the turning force, the ability for it to pick up speed almost. You can think of it like that, okay?
Yes.
It's pulling power,
Yes.
okay? That has a 4.4 litre twin turbo V8 with, guess how much horsepower that has? Look at it, look at it. How much horsepower do you think that has?
This has 5 something? 4 something.
No, that has 530 horsepower.
Ah.
Okay?
So nearly the same.
Nearly the same. That's about 2 tonnes. This is 2.5 tonnes. So, it all
So
kind of
won't
falls
that
there.
go more quickly then?
We'll find out. That's what we're here for, isn't it? Let's just get on with the race. Oh, and make sure you subscribe to this channel as well. Hit the bell icon so you turn your notifications on so you're alerted when we make a new upload. Let's do it. You're really nervous, aren't you?
Yeah, very.
We've had a bet at work, £1,000 that you're going to win.
Oh, oh, don't tell me that.
Right, come on, Mum. Come on.
3,
Throw the throttle.
1.
Good start, Mum. Go, go, go. Keep your foot floored. That's it, keep it going. Oh, it's got off well. Keep going though, keep going. Keep going, keep going. Keep going. And relax. That's it, and relax. Let me just pull the steering wheel just that way a touch. There we go. Your reaction was really good.
I know.
I'm surprised that did so well. He launched that perfectly. He launched that perfectly. Are you all right?
I might vomit.
Really? Was that surprisingly quick?
No, I'm just fed up he got in front of me. How did he do that? I'm going to do that in that one now.
What?
See if it's not the car.
Okay then, Mum, we're in the BMW now.
Uh-huh.
No excuses.
No.
You should win, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to set the car up for you. So, left foot on the brake. I'm going to put the car into gear for you, into sports mode. Everything else is in sports. Same thing again as in that car.
Yeah.
When I say floor the throttle, floor it, and then when she goes with the hands down, release that brake and just keep going.
Yeah.
And if you lose, it's down to you.
It's me, yeah,
not the
sorry.
car. Tension.
3,
Floor the throttle.
2,
Hold it.
1.
Oh, what a start! Go! Oh, you're ahead! Come on! It's close though, he reacted really well. And now we're dropping him.
Car Wow.
You're about to win your first ever drag race, Mother. Now,
Can I stop?
you can back off, that's it, you can back off.
Good. I'm glad it wasn't me. I'm glad it was the car.
It was the car, you did a really good job. I think your reactions are better than mine.
I'm quick off the lights for an Oldham.
How old are you?
71.
Gosh.
Shall we have a cup of tea?
Yeah, we can have a cup of tea now.
While my mother has a cup of tea, let's take a look at the times. So the BMW M850i crossed the line in 11.7 seconds. And despite those extra 500 kilos of weight and the aerodynamics of a shed, the G63 wasn't far behind with a standing quarter-mile time of 12.3 seconds. Now let's get back in the G63 for the next race.
Now we can have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. Both cars are in comfort mode, automatic mode on their gearboxes. So if you just hold it at 50,
Oh,
see
sorry.
that number's 50 there.
Sorry.
a bit excited.
Hang on.
Get it to 50. That's it, good enough. Just hold it steady there. I'll count it in. And when I say go, you just floor the throttle.
49.
3, 2, 1, go! This took off quick. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. He's pulling ahead of us. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. You're doing 120. Keep going. Keep going. He's pulling ahead. Keep on pulling ahead. You're doing 140. Oh my gosh. Just release off the accelerator now and just slowly press the brake. It's a bit more. Probably a bit more. Yeah, you can brake a bit more. You're still doing 100.
Feels slow at 100.
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah. I'd got my foot right down as far as it would go.
You're now doing 50 again.
Goodness, I feel as though we're walking.
No, don't press anything. Don't
I'm not
press
pressing anything.
Right.
My foot's off.
That's
How do I stop
Don't worry.
it?
Now we're going to do a full emergency stop from 70 miles an hour.
Oh my God.
I have set the cruise control to 70 miles an hour. When we hit the line in the centre of the track, we're going to do a full emergency stop. But I'll tell you when to brake, okay? You hit it hard, okay? You look really nervous. Why? Is it because the car's just driving itself?
Yes.
Okay, as soon as you press the brake, it disengages, all right?
Okay.
So, but you have to hammer that brake and you keep it hammered
hard.
as if you're stopping to save your life.
Right.
And my life.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, you right?
Yeah.
Can you see the change of surface there?
Yeah.
That's where we're going to do it. Ready. And brake! Harder, harder, harder! So that's it. Just keep your foot on the brake, stay where you are. Are you right?
Can I breathe now?
Yeah, you can. So look how much distance it took this car to stop them, that one.
Hang on. Oh, it did.
Looks like it's 3-0 to the BMW. You lost all three, which means you lost me £1,000.
No, the car did. The car did, Matt.